up, KC crew? What's new? This video, and as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be getting my hair crimped by my sister. And it was going to be me doing it, but I don't really know what I'm doing. So next time I crimp my hair, it's going to be me showing y'all how I do it or how I learn. So right now I have in Volys Virgo hair. I hope I'm saying it right, but it's going to be on the screen in the description down below because I lost the box. So anyways, but this hair is amazing. This is a wig. I done had this in for about 5 days, and the frontal is still looking nice or whatever. And I had these crimps in for about 5 days. Now they're starting to fall. That's why I'm crimping it again. But yeah, this hair has been bomb. It's been nothing but good to me. So make sure y'all go check them out. Like I said, it's gonna be in the description down below because I believe I'm saying the name wrong, but it's all right. So basically, my sister gonna be crimping my hair, and I'm gonna just be talking to y'all. Some of it gonna be in time lapse, and some of it is just gonna be me talking to y'all, telling y'all like what's been new or what's been going on. But yeah, so she's about to start crimping my hair, so stay tuned, guys, and we're about to get started. Oh, she wants me to hold it, guys. So yeah, so basically, guys, what's been going on with me is, so it is December the 28th. Oh, she's trying to act like she don't know.
Oh, what?
It's December 28th.
Mm-hmm.
So, guys, it's December 28th. And basically, so for Christmas, I got a camera. And the reason I'm not recording on the camera right now because... Oh, wait. If you guys wondering what she's doing right now, she's spraying Got to Be Spray on it. And that just makes the crimps hold more. I'm pretty sure you know what it is. Okay, but anyways, I got a camera for Christmas. And the reason why I'm not recording on it right now is because I'm waiting until I get a better tripod. Because they sent me a tripod, but it's kind of, like, flimsy. And, like, it really don't be, like... stain, if that's what you want to say. So I don't know, it just be, I don't know, but I will use it if I go somewhere and I do like a vlog or something. Then I will use it, but other than that, I haven't been really using it because it's just like, it's not the, it's like the tripod, and it's like my ring light can't, my ring light came with like a phone holder, so it's not really like a tripod. Oh, I almost burnt my face. My ring light came with like a phone holder, not a camera holder. It's not wide enough to stretch for a camera, so just gotta wait. But it's all good though, cause like I said, my phone camera is still good, so it's not like not, what is it? What would I want to say? I forgot what I was gonna say, but I need to turn this way so they can see. They can see. Mm-hmm. guys, we're doing the side now. And like I was telling y'all about my camera, so I'm gonna start recording off there eventually. And I got a surprise coming for you guys. It's not a surprise for you guys. It's more of like a big deal. It's more of a big deal to me. But it's gonna be coming soon as it come in the mail. And yeah, I'm just excited. Oh, but another thing I'm gonna tell y'all about this wig is, I don't know if it's just the way my head is shaped or what, but this wig has like this part right here. It's part of the wig. It hurts so bad. It's like it either has to sit on your ear or behind your ear, but either way, it's annoying. So that's a kind of bad thing about this wig. But it's not a bad wig though. Like the hair is, I like the hair, but like that part. But I don't know. I don't know if it's something my stylist could have cut off. I don't really know. I can't really tell what it is. But if y'all style it might not bother y'all though. It might just be like, I don't know. He can't keep his hands up. Alright, y'all, so I keep confusing myself. I don't know what I've done and what I haven't done. Crimping hair, so it's fine. But when you undo it, I think you just undo it with your hands. I really don't know.
Make sure it's cooled down, so you should not be doing that on mommy's part.
Oh, after it's cooled down or whatever. So not on this part yet.
You take a hot comb
and then here's where the hot comb come in at, because this part right here, you just need to flatten it down a little bit. All right, so what you do is you just comb it down like a regular comb.
Or it's just streaming up his stuff in the bag.
I got some new yarn.
And like this part is actually your liking. So I like it like this. So it's just really up to you how far you want to put it down. So yeah, really up to you. And don't put it down too far to mess up the crimps or nothing. Okay, y'all, so. And then if you want, you could do like up here, like it's just up to you how much you want to do it. So like I was telling y'all, this is not really a crimp. This is more of a waver. We thought it was a crimp, but the hair still looks bomb.
Oh, I didn't tell her.
And then,
I said that to myself.
so I'm just showing y'all other ways you could do it like this as well. What do you say? Alright, so. Alright, y'all. So, I did it to my liking. So, this is more of like a waver. So, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias in the description down below and on the screen if you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. So, if it was crimps, it would have been deeper, but this is more of like a waver, like I was telling y'all. Okay, but anyways, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my social medias in the description down below and on the screen, and make sure y'all go check out the hair company and go get y'all this straight wig. And yeah, we out, babies.